Let's create a resource. Virtual machines are found under the Compute category. Make sure you select Virtual Machine and not Virtual Machine Scale Set, and then click Create. Let's walk through the wizard process. Select the resource group to store our resource. Enter a valid virtual machine name. Select the size for the virtual machine. It may take a moment for the cost to load. Sort ascending to find the cheapest size. Review the VM size for your project needs. Yes, it's true, you can resize the VM after creating it. Select the VM size. Let's set up our administrator account. Select password and enter a username and password. Let's look at the setup wizard for disks. I don't need any changes here, so I'm going to look at networking. By default, Azure includes settings for new virtual network. If you have an existing virtual network, you can add this VM to that network. Make sure you have the inbound port rules turned on and then click management. We don't need advanced monitoring, so let's disable boot diagnostics. For this project, let's leave the rest as defaults. Let's take a look at advanced settings. For this project, let's leave the defaults. Click on tags to add custom tags, but let's go ahead and review and create. Here you're going to see an estimate of the cost for your virtual machine and some additional terms and conditions for you to review and to agree upon before you create the machine. Make sure you carefully review all the settings before you click on the create button. Let's create the virtual machine and get this project started. It could take a while to create a virtual machine, so here's a good idea. Go get a cheeseburger and eat one while you're waiting. You'll see a notification that your resource has been created. Click on Go to Resource. Let's take a look at the overview of our newly created and currently running virtual machine. Azure created a temporary public IP address for when our VM is running. Click on Stop to stop the virtual machine. Keep your project cheap and reduce costs. Make sure you stop your virtual machine when you're done working with it. It'll take a while to stop, and the status will change first to deallocating. The final status should say Stop Deallocated, and you will see that your public IP is now disappeared.